Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Chris and I'm with American Wheel and Tire. Today we're going to be showing you a video of a 2020 Ford F-150 that we installed a 4-inch BDS lift on. We sat it on top of 20x10 Fuel Rebel wheels and wrapped them in 295 60/20 Nitto Terra Grappler tires. Check out the video and let us know what you think. Y'all have a good one. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Chris and I'm with American Wheel and Tire. Holy shit. Keep the freaking door shut.
Lock it.
Lock it.
Lock it? Really?
Hey, what's up y'all? My name is Chris. Go away!
Action! Didn't you see the sign on the door?
Hey, this is a studio now. Oh, are we still recording?